Formula of area. Formula of area. Area of square, side square. Area of rectangle equal length multiply breadth. Area of triangle 1/2 multiply base multiply height. Area of parallelogram base multiply height. Area of circle pi r square. Area of semicircle 1/2 pi r square. Repeat the formulas of area for better understanding and good practice. Repeat the formulas of area. Area of square equal side square. Area of rectangle equal length multiply breadth. Area of triangle equal 1/2 multiply base multiply height. Area of parallelogram equal base multiply height. Area of circle equal pi r square. Area of semicircle equal 1/2 pi r square. These are the formulas of area. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for getting more informative videos. And thanks for watching videos of mathematics.